Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Adarsh Singh. Today we shall talk about the symptoms of COVID-19. What are the things that should prompt you to visit your doctor? Though it has been more than 4 months since cases began in India, but the array of symptoms are so vast that it requires highlighting. So let's get into it. The most common symptom is fever. Whenever you feel feverish, you should always record your body temperature. Any temperature more than equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit is significant. The next symptom is cough. It may be dry or it may be wet, that is sputum producing. Now if you are a smoker or have allergies, then you usually have a tendency of coughing every now and then. But if you find yourself coughing more these days or have excess sputum production, then it is a point of concern. The next is sore throat. That is any pain or pin-pricking sensation during swallowing. The next and the most important symptom is shortness of breath. Now what do we mean by shortness of breath? Any increase in respiratory effort or breathing while doing any work that previously did not cause any respiratory discomfort, or an increase in your breathing effort even in sitting or lying position. Now the number of breaths you take in a minute usually ranges from 12 to 18 breaths per minute. Anything more than equal to 20 breaths per minute is significant. Now, other symptoms are fatigue, generalized body ache, running nose or nasal congestion, diarrhea. Now the point to note here is loose stool for more than 2 days that is not subsiding with medications is a point of concern. It is not the most common manifestation of COVID, but it is not even the most uncommon. Other symptoms being vomiting, abdominal pain, chest pain, blood in cough, rash, loss of smell, loss of taste. Now let me highlight certain categories of people here. People who are old, that is more than 60 years, people who have asthma or other lung disease, chronic liver disease, chronic kidney disease, who are on dialysis, who have diabetes, HIV, hypertension, heart disease, any sort of cancer, or are on chemotherapy or drugs like steroids, or have had a knee transplant recently. These are the people who are already immunocompromised, that is, their immunity is already poor. These are the people who do not manifest COVID with fever or cough. They usually present with shortness of breath. So be aware of the breathing pattern of these people in your home. Now last but not the least are the asymptomatic cases. These are the people who do not manifest any sort of symptoms but are very potent carriers and transmit the virus. These people may not be at risk, but the older people with comorbid conditions will manifest the symptoms and will pay the price. So how to not harbor the disease? Wear masks, maintain social distancing and keep hand hygiene. Hence we should all be a little disciplined, wear masks, maintain social distancing, maintain hand hygiene. It is not much to ask, and it is still cheaper than the medical bills or a life. Stay safe, stay happy. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have some queries, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you.